Welcome back, friends. I hope you're all well and having fun. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will know as soon as we publish. This video is an info video that will let you know what is coming up between now and the end of the year. In the fall, there will be a series probably about the singer 201. There will also be more films of the 306, sort of on an ad hoc basis. Here's some good news. I have made a new playlist. It's called Jebb Adams' Top 10 Most Watched Videos. Please check it out. It shows, believe it or not, the top 10 most watched videos of Jebb Adams' channel. Subscribing will help this channel's goal to become monetized sooner than later. Once this channel gets monetized, there will be some very exciting changes here at Jebb Adams' channel. Want to give you a heads up, the next video will be posted early on Thursday, 24 February 2022. That will be episode 9. That will be the 221 series that we're working through. That one is already in the can. The one that is being published Thursday, it's done. It's got a, it's even got a thumbnail on it. I know, hang on to your chair. And finally, I want to say, you know what? We're all restorers. And we're all sowers, even if some of us just sow and even if some of us just restore. One way or another, we kind of pick it up by osmosis, just talking the lingo of nothing else. Thanks for coming, and thanks for viewing, subscribing, all that. Want you folks, you guys, to have fun, keep safe. Adios, amigos.